Ever since I dropped my free YouTube automation course, one question I keep receiving over and over again is simply, is there a way we can actually make the AI characters talk instead of generating a separate voiceover? Well, the answer is yes. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a complete step-by-step guide on how you can actually generate AI characters and then make them talk more like you are watching a normal movie that was shot with real humans. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you in this video.
Life is like the hunt. If you rush, you miss your target. If you are lazy, you return home with empty hands. But if you are patient and disciplined, the forest will always reward you.
Father, I understand. I will be patient and work hard, even when the journey is difficult. That is good.
So guys, the first thing we need to do is simply we need to generate a script using ChatGPT, because the beginning of every automation or every AI channel starts with the video scripting. Now, if in case you are just getting started with YouTube automation, you don't know how to generate, you don't know how to do any single thing, you're just getting started, then I advise you watch this video over here. In that video, I've actually broken down every single thing you need to know about YouTube automation and actually start your own channel. So you can just take the lessons from that video and then just substitute the media generation with this particular one that I'm teaching you in this video, and you will be fine. So basically, in order to generate this, let's head over to ChatGPT. Now, once I'm inside ChatGPT, I'm just going to drop a simple prompt. Now you can comment prompt, and then I'm going to give you a link to go access other prompts in my Telegram community, because I don't like going through the prompting process in the video in order to actually save your time. So you can join my Telegram channel, the link available in the video description, to go get other prompts over there. So now here is the script, and I just sent it to ChatGPT right now. As I said earlier, you don't have to worry about the script. Just join my Telegram community and you're going to get it over there. So guys, now that we are generating the script, let's give a shout out to our sponsors. So guys, talking of our sponsors, this video is actually brought to you by 22bet. Now 22bet is a legal gambling company that is fully registered in Ghana here, and most countries are there across Europe as well. So in case you're interested in gambling and looking for a reliable platform to actually gamble with, then make sure to gamble with 22bet. Link is available in the video description. But please, if you are below the ages of 18, please stay away from gambling. And if you are 18 and above, you can actually sign up to 22bet using my link. And when you also use my promo code, you get a sign up bonus of up to $100 as well. So now guys, ChatGPT is done with a little script that we requested for already, because I wanted a very short script, and you can see it here. It's a wide shot, evening in an African village, a small fire, 3 sea hotels sitting on wooden stools, spears nearby, no face shown. So basically, now once we have this one here, now this comes with a voiceover and every single thing. Now the main works begin. So basically, we're going to tell ChatGPT to actually, so guys, now you can see that ChatGPT just gave us the script to actually generate the whole view. Now you can just copy it like this. Now you just copy it from the beginning to the end or wherever, and then you head over to Grok. Now you can also use ChatGPT to generate these images, but the reason why I just love Grok is that what I think when it comes to generating cinematic images, Grok gives me a better output as compared to ChatGPT. Basically, that is why I like using Grok. Now also over here in Grok, you click on it, it says imagine. Now if you're on your smartphone, you are also going to see it, or you're going to see a hamburger menu. What I mean by hamburger menu is simply 3 strokes. They just click on it and you're going to see the imagine option. Now once you come over here, come back to it, it says image, and if you are generating it for a YouTube normal standard YouTube video like the one you are watching, then make sure you come over to 16:9. But if you are doing it for TikTok or Facebook Reels and the rest, make sure you come over to this option here, which is 9:16. Now from here, I'm just going to paste in the script ChatGPT generated, which is the prompt ChatGPT gave. Now once you generate it, just hit on send. Now once you click on send, you just have to wait, and ChatGPT, Grok AI is actually going to generate the scenes for you. So guys, whilst you are waiting for Grok to finish generating the images, I just want to let you know that in case you are into creating short form content, or you're a business owner trying to go viral on either TikTok, YouTube Short, or Instagram Reels, then the best platform you need is actually Virlo AI. Now Virlo is actually an AI tool that automatically scans the internet and shows you the most viral content. Now you can customize it to give you content around a particular niche. Like for example, you can see I have 2 niches selected here: forest trading and content creation. With this, basically, if I click on any of them, this AI is automatically going to give me the most trending content on that particular day around this particular keywords that I've put in here. And you can also come over here and then select any random topic of your choice, or you can create a custom niche for yourself as well, and this AI is actually going to give you viral content depending on those. Now the AI is not giving you viral content from its own ideas, it's giving you viral content from what's already trending on the internet. And also you can see these global ones here in case you create content around general gossip and stuff. Well, you have the general trending ones here where you can actually pick anyone from, and it gives you the number of views and things that this video are also getting. Now let's get back to our Grok AI. Now remember, if you want to sign up to Virlo AI, the link is available in the video description as well. Don't forget to use them. Now we came over to Grok, and Grok is asking me for my age, so let me just input my age, 2003, and you can see here it just generated different styles. Now from here it's up to you to pick the style that you actually want. Based on the purpose of the scene, I'm going to go with this, that the children are side by side. Okay, this one here. So I'm going to go with this option here. Now once you have this one as your scene, now it's time to actually make them talk. So now that we have the scene, now we'll come back to ChatGPT. Now what are we coming to do in ChatGPT? Now we need to tell ChatGPT to give us a prompt to send alongside a voiceover, so that what Grok can actually make the voiceover, make the characters talk, so we don't have to get just random videos alone. So for that, I'll come over to ChatGPT, and then so basically I just said, I say kindly give me a Grok prompt alongside a voiceover, so I can send it to Grok and make the characters talk. So now you can see below a simple one here, so you can see it here. Okay, and let's come over to dialogue. So basically you just copy it from here where it says father calm deep tune. So you copy it, and let's just copy it from top to bottom, and then we'll come over to Grok, and then we'll paste it in here. So once we paste it in, we just click on where it says, this place here which says make video, so you just click on send. Now once you click on send, you just have to wait, and then Grok is going to turn it into a video for you. So now you can see that what the first one is generated with the father actually talking. So let me play it for you to actually hear. Now my laptop is not that loud, so let me see if I can find any way to boost up the audio. Okay, my volume is at max. Let me just come over here, and then separate browser audio should be there. Open volume mixer, Microsoft system speaker. Okay, let me look for Google Chrome. All is at max, but let's play it. You should hear it a bit.
Life is like the hunt. If you rush, you miss your target. If you are lazy.
So now it generated the first one here. It says life is like the hunt. If you rush, you miss your target. If you are lazy, now after you are lazy, you realize that what it didn't continue again. Now this is because Grok has a time limit for each of the scenes. So what do you do when your voice gets cut off like this? Well, basically all you do is simply you just remove the part that the AI has already said. You just remove that part, and then you send it again. So it's going to continue from where it stopped. So you can see that what here's the first scene whereby it says life is like a hunt. So from here we continue the remaining one from here. So in case you generate any scene whereby you realize that the character did not say every single thing from beginning to end, you just have to cut it from where it stopped, and then continue it from the next scene. So now let's wait for this one to also finish generating a scene. You see, it's this simple and straightforward. Now the audio might be quite low, that's why you need to watch this video to the very end, so I can share with you how to boost it up as well. Now let's move up to the next one, which is the sons. Now we get to the part whereby the sons were also speaking. Now come back to ChatGPT again and say first son. Then you copy that. Okay, so now the first one is done generating, and here is basically it.
Father, I understand. I will be patient and work hard, even when the journey is difficult. That is good.
Now that is it for him. Now we can go on to the second son as well. So okay, this one is for the father again. So basically you can keep on generating them over and over again for all of the scenes. Now I don't need that, so I'm just going to go straight and I'll show you how you can increase their volumes after you are done generating them. So first of all, let me download them first. So once I'm into DaVinci Resolve, I'll just click on new project, and then click on create. Then I'll just come over to my edit interface, and then grab the 3 videos. So let me just grab 3 of them. Desktop, and then I'll just grab all of them like this, bring them in, and then let me just place them on it. Place all side by side like this. And now to increase the volume, you can select each of them and then increase the volume one after the other. But in some situations, you can just increase the whole volume for the place. So let me just come over to the mixer, and then that is A1, so audio 1. I can just increase the volume from here. So if I play it now,
Life is like the hunt. If you rush, you miss your target. If you are late,
so my volume is up. So why is my laptop sounding a bit low today? So basically, let me just come over and increase them one after the other.
life is like
Now this is getting too noisy.
the hunt. If you rush, you miss your target. If you are lazy, you return home with empty hands. But if you are patient and disciplined, the forest will always reward you.
Father, I understand. I will be patient and work hard, even when the...
So this is how you get this done. So I believe you found this video helpful, and if you do, all you need to do for me is simply smash on that subscribe button and drop a comment. Very important. And if you have any video that you want to request me to make for you, also let me know that in the comment section as well. Now with this said, this is what I promised and this is what I've delivered. And always remember to use 2bet if you're a gambler, and also use Virlo AI in case you look for trending content ideas. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.